Number 7. We want to solve this equation. Now let's write the equation here. 2 over x minus 2 plus 2 equals x over x minus 2. Our equation contains fractions. So what we are going to do first, we are going to find the least common denominator of all the fractions. Well, the only denominators we have is x minus 2. So the least common denominator in our case is just x minus 2. The next step will be multiply both sides of the equation by the least common denominator, in this case x minus 2. Now we have x minus 2 times sum of two terms, so we are going to distribute this x minus 2 times first term, then x minus 2 times the second term. So let's write that. So we have x minus 2 times, the first term happens to be a fraction, 2 over x minus 2 plus x minus 2 times 2 equals. And here on the right side we have a fraction times x minus 2. A denominator happens to be x minus 2, so we can just cancel x minus 2 and we will have just x. Now looking here, we can also cancel this x minus 2 with this denominator, so we will have 2 plus, and we can distribute this 2, we can do 2 times x and 2 times negative 2. So it's plus 2x, 2 times x, and 2 times negative 2 is minus 4 equals x. Now what we did to pay attention, after multiplying both sides by the LCD and distributing, all the fractions went away and we don't have fractions anymore, and we can solve this. Now we can combine those like terms. 2 minus 4 is negative 2, so we have actually 2x minus 2 equals x. Then we can add 2 on both sides. So let's add 2 plus 2, and then let me add 2 here. So I will get 2x equals, since this 2 negative 2 plus 2 goes away, I will get 2x equals x plus 2. Then let's continue here. So we have 2x equals x plus 2. Now we can subtract x on both sides. So this x will disappear here, and we're gonna have 2x minus 2x is x, and x minus x goes away, so we have x equals 2. Now the crucial step here, when you have a rational expression, a fraction that contains a variable in the denominator, we have to check. Actually, we always have to check, especially when you're taking a test, but in this case it's crucially important, because when we have a rational expression, we have restrictions. The restriction is that the denominator cannot be 0. X minus 2 cannot be 0. So let's actually check. Let's plug this x equals 2 in here. In this fraction, we are going to get 2 over x minus 2 equals 2 over 2 minus 2, which is 2 over 0. That's undefined. So the only possible answer was x equals 2, but it cannot be answered because it makes the denominator 0, which is not possible. It's undefined. So what we are going to say, the solution is empty set or no solution. In our case, that's B, no solution. Again, checking is crucially important.